the new downpipes is bigger than the flex section on the old downpipes. There we go. This is what the X pipe slash
perfect.
If you're new here, welcome to the AutoLust YouTube channel. If you're already an AutoLust family member, then what's swinging, gang? Today, we back on Sasha. Oh man, Woots Motorsports have really put their foot on the neck of this custom exhaust. And I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get right in here, you know, enough talking. Let's get right in here on it, man. Woots Motorsports. Man, as always, I'm being chaperoned by the lovely Olivia. You know, she I got to go on the side of the road today with the parking lot packed. But let's check this exhaust out, man. I'm so excited to see this world's first exhaust. I mean, everything about this exhaust is a world's first. So I mean, I don't even know what to say. Let's just go in here and see it. this is what the X-pipe slash resonator box is, pretty much what it looks like. This has never been done before, so you know, we didn't know pretty much what we were gonna do or how we were gonna do it. The initial plan started off half this size, but since I had the room, you know, we went along ahead and doubled it, you know, because it was only going to be like 7 by 10 and now it's 8 by 24, you know, and that's going to mix those gases for a longer amount of time to get that sound that we're looking for and get rid of that kind of like V10 raspy sound that these cars usually have. You know, this will give it more of a you know, low down V8 sound, which I mean it is, you know. And we got the master Jedi welder here, Tom. You know, he's at the helm and he's been doing this thing all the way through, man, and it's gorgeous. I mean, these are some of the best welds I've seen. He's also the same guy did the inner chiller tank there, you know, and man, that's turning out gorgeous. You know, so again, this is 24 inches long and 8 inches wide from, you know, side to side, top to bottom. And we have V-band clamps right up top, because when it leaves here, that 24 inches will sit right in this tunnel here, from about here all the way to about here, and then it'll dump towards the rear out the sides, you know, not dump to the ground, but dump more like out at an angle. And then from here, he also welded V-band clamps on the end of my custom 3.5 inch downpipes. This is a world's first, and I'm going to show you just how big these downpipes are versus the stock ones. And these stock ones also have a wrap on it, and look at the difference. And that's with the wrap on the stock downpipe. That's crazy. That's a crazy big difference. They're bigger than the stock downpipes with the wrap on it. I mean, the new downpipes is bigger than the flex section on the old downpipes. So I mean, that's gonna be gorgeous. That's gonna sound gorgeous when it's done. I can't wait to, you know, hear what it's gonna sound like when it's done. But I'm very, very excited about this build. As you can see, it's full flow, no restriction, you know, any of that crap going on. And I mean, it's all hand TIG welded, just like the entire exhaust is going to be hand TIG welded. So that's going to look gorgeous. You know, we almost there, gang. You know, and you know for sure I'm going to have a before and after video of how the exhaust sounds versus the stock exhaust, well, the straight pipe exhaust with the traditional X pipe that I had on this car beforehand. You know, I still have clips of that, so I'm going to compare those with this new full flow 3.5 inch exhaust with this resonator slash X pipe, or whatever you want to call it. We're just going to call this baby the power box or the hot box or something like that, man. That is crazy. You will never find that on another car, I can promise you that. It's a world's first with the 3.5 inch, and it's a world's first with this resonator X pipe chamber. It's crazy. And also, you know, if you don't know, for you guys that this is your first time watching or you haven't noticed, I have staggered 3.5 inch exhaust tips, but on the inlet it's only 2.5 inches. And you're probably wondering, like, why would you do that? This is going to choke the 3-inch exhaust down, 3.5 inch exhaust down. Yes, it would, but these are just be dummy tips. They're going to be hung from the factory hangers in the rear, and it's going to be welded off closed there, so you can't really see inside it. You know, I probably like spray paint it black in there a little bit, or just leave it like that, because once it's closed up, you can't really see anything in there anyways. And those would just be dummy tips, so I don't have big openings at the rear of the diffuser. That just looks old and nasty, and you know, doesn't look clean, so I don't want it looking like that. But yeah, gang, like, it's looking good. And On the next video, we should be cranking this baby up, the starter, to see exactly how she sounds with the 3.5-inch exhaust. So I can't wait to hear how she sounds. I'm sure you guys can't wait to hear how she sounds. So, you know, that's what I just been doing, keeping you guys updated, man. And this build is getting crazy. Also, we have new weight saving mods coming in for Sasha. For those who don't know, I did a one-piece carbon fiber drive shaft and a couple other, you know, rotational weight, you know, weight savings. So I just can't wait to show you that either. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'll show you when it comes in. So like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.